Good morning children. Welcome to your science activity class. In our today's science activity class, we will learn about different shapes and surfaces, and we will also observe some of the things. So let's start. Here on the board you can see that I have drawn four figures. So children, you have to identify the name of all these figures. The first one you can see that in the first picture there are four sides. There are four equal sides. So the figure having four equal sides is called as square. Here in the next picture, figure 2, you can see that the opposite sides are equal. This side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. So this figure is called as rectangle. And the third one children, all the three sides are equal. There are three sides. And the picture having three sides is called as triangle. And the next one is, it is a circle shape. It is a round shape. So it is called as circle. So children, let me show you some of the objects of these shapes and find out about something which is related to about its surface. The first one is square. Here you can see that this charger what is the shape of this charger? You can see that it has four sides. And all the sides are equal. So this is a square. Next one is rectangle. You can see this is a duster. What is this? This is a duster. The opposite sides are equal. Here also this side is equals to this side and this side is equals to this side. So this duster is having a side of rectangle. This duster is, what is the shape of this duster? The shape of this duster is rectangle. You can see this box. What is the shape of this box? This side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. So the shape of this box is, the opposite sides are equal. So the shape of this box is also a rectangle. Again, you can see that I have a soap in my hand. The opposite sides are equal. So what is the shape of this soap? It is a rectangular soap. The shape of this soap is rectangular. Next is, you can see this piece of paper children. How many sides are there in this paper? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Objects having three sides are called as triangle. So this is a triangle. The next, the fourth figure. The size of this fourth figure, the shape of this fourth figure is circle. Here, let me show you. What is the shape of this bangle? What is the shape of this bangle? This bangle is round in shape, so it is a circle. It is a circle. This bangle has a circular shape, so this is circle. Children, do you know that objects having flat surface, flat means plain surface, can slide. Here you can see that this duster has a flat surface. So, if you will observe this duster, you can see that it is sliding. It is, when we are pushing it, this duster, it is sliding. But when I am pushing this lemon, what is the shape of this lemon? This is round in shape, and the surface of this lemon is curved. The surface of this lemon is curved. So, when I am pushing this lemon, you can see that it is rolling. It is rolling. It is rolling. So, things which have flat surface they can slide, and the things which have curved surface they can roll. Let us take some more example. You can take this soap also. What is the and observe the surface. The surface of the soap is flat. You can see that this soap is having a flat surface from all the sides. So, it will not roll. Surface having flat surface will slide. Surface having flat surface will slide. But objects having curved surface will roll. You can see this tomato. This tomato has a round shape. What is the shape of this tomato? This is a round shaped tomato, and the surface of this tomato is not flat. It is not flat. You can see that it can roll. It can roll on this register. So it means that the things which are having curved surface they can roll, and the things which are having flat surface can slide. Let us take the example of this bangle. This bangle has a curved surface. This bangle has a curved surface. You can see that it is not flat. It is not flat. It can roll. It can roll. So it means the surface of this bangle is curved. This is rolling. This bangle can roll. So, children, what is the shape of this bangle? This bangle has a circular shape. This bangle has a circular shape, and the objects which are round in shape, which are circular in shape, they can roll. They can roll. Here you can see. Okay. Now, I am going to show you an object which can roll and slide both. You can see this box of cream. You can see this box of cream. Here, you can see, children, that the surface of this box is flat. The surface of this box is flat. So when I am pushing it, what is happening? You can see, due to flat surface, this box can slide. Due to flat surface, this box can slide. But when I will keep this box like this, then what is the surface? You can see from this side, if you will observe this side of this box, the surface is curved. The surface is curved. But this surface is flat. This surface is flat. This surface is flat and this surface is curved. So, when you move this box of cream from the flat surface, it will slide. It will slide. But when you move it from its curved surface, it will roll. It will roll. You can see this, that it is rolling. So, what do we learn from this activity, children? That the things which are having flat surface, they can slide, and the things having curved surface, they can slide, such as a bangle. A bangle has a curved surface, so it can roll. It can roll. A tomato has also a curved surface, so it can roll. But this duster has a flat surface, so it will slide. It will slide. So today what we have learned, children? Today in this science activity class, we learned that the objects which are having flat surface, they can slide, and the objects which are having curved surface, they can roll. Is it clear, children? I hope that you have that this is very much clear to all of you. I hope, children, that you will watch this video at your home, and you will also observe different things of your home, and you will get an idea of flat surface objects and curved surface objects, and you can easily find out that the things which are having flat surface, they can slide, and the things which are having curved surface, they can roll. Is it clear, children? Thank you.